In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix error 1000 in Cloudflare. If you're seeing this error on your website, it usually means there's a problem with the DNS records pointing to the wrong IP address. Don't worry, we'll go through the exact steps you need to fix it, even if you're not very technical. First, you'll need to log in to your Cloudflare dashboard. Once you're signed in, select the website that's having the issue. You'll be taken to that site's overview page. From here, look for the DNS option in the navigation menu and click it. This will open the DNS management area for your domain, which is where Cloudflare stores the records that tell visitors where your site is hosted. Inside the DNS section, you'll see a list of records. We're specifically interested in A and Table A records because those are the records that map your domain name to an IP address. Take a moment to locate any A records and any Table A records listed there. These will usually be associated with the root of your domain, often shown as the @ symbol, or with your domain name itself. Now look closely at the content column next to those A or Table A records. This is where the IP address is stored. What you're checking for here is whether the IP address belongs to Cloudflare instead of your hosting provider. Cloudflare IPs often start with numbers like 104 or 172. If you see something like 104 dot something or 172 dot something, that's a good sign the record is incorrectly pointing to Cloudflare's own network instead of your actual web server. Cloudflare's IP addresses are not meant to be used as the destination for your A or Table A records. Your site can't be hosted directly on those. Instead, Cloudflare sits in front of your hosting server as a proxy and needs to point to the real IP where your website files live. So when your DNS records use Cloudflare IPs, it can trigger error 1000 because Cloudflare doesn't know where your actual site is. To fix this, you'll want to update the affected record. Find the DNS record for your root domain, again, usually shown as the @ symbol or simply your domain name without any subdomain. On the right side of that record, there should be an option to edit it. Click Edit to open the fields for that record. In the Edit view, focus on the IP address in the content field. This is where you'll remove the incorrect Cloudflare IP. Carefully delete the current value so the field is empty and then paste in the actual IP address of your hosting server. If you're not sure what that IP is, you can usually find it in your hosting control panel or by contacting your hosting provider's support team. Once you've pasted your correct hosting IP into the record, double check that there are no extra spaces or characters. When you're happy with it, click Save to apply the change. Cloudflare will update the DNS record with your real server IP. After saving, DNS changes can take a few minutes to propagate. Wait a short while, then refresh your website in your browser. In most cases, error 1000 should now be resolved and your site should load normally again.